So we're hosting a Train the Trainer on standard reunification processes.
The reunifier gets the card.
I think it's very important right now that we look at a standard reunification process and evacuation plan should the event of a major emergency happen.
Within the state of Texas, within our school district, we want to have a standard response protocol. That way, if we do have outside law enforcement agencies coming to help us, our officers, our staff are going to be able to work together with them with this standard response etiquette that we're learning today.
So it goes over to the account, somebody runs it?
Just that we opened it up to everybody. This isn't just the PSJ school district. You have other school districts from the Valley, some from as far north as San Antonio that came down to take this. It's something that PSJ is always going to go above and offer it to everybody in our community.